Hello friends, welcome to Tukira Sarees. Today we are going to see a beautiful Madurai weave sarees. The first saree is a beautiful silver zari saree. This is again a silver zari saree. Most of the Sungudi saree comes in golden zari borders and pallus. As on customer requests, we have added silver zari sarees in this batch. The saree is pure cotton and body of the saree has got beautiful zari cuttams and the border has got beautiful peacocks. The next saree is a monotone zari cuttam sarees. This saree has got a single color all over the body of the saree. The body of the saree has got a beautiful golden zari checks and the border has got beautiful peacocks. We have multiple colors in monotone sarees. This is again a contrast border saree which has got a beautiful golden zari peacock borders and the body has got zari cuttams in golden zari. The saree is pure cotton and very comfortable to wear. The next batch of sarees are Ganga Jamuna borders and Sungudi saree which has Kalamkari prints. This saree is a Ganga Jamuna border. One side of the saree has got maroon color border and the other side of the saree has got green color border which has beautiful peacocks, golden zari peacocks in the border. It's a zari woven border. The body has got thin zari lines. Other side it has got green color border with peacocks. All the video has taken in daylight. The pallu comes in green color and red color as well. Let me open it and show you so that you can have a clear view. The saree has got a red color border on one side and other side it has got a navy blue. If you wear it in a reversal side, you can get a red pallu and as well as navy blue pallu. You can wear it either of the way. So it is like 2-in-1 saree, a very pretty color combination sarees. The next saree is a beautiful yellow and green color saree. So Ganga Jamuna border again. One side it has got green and other side it has got yellow and the pallu also has got yellow and green. You can wear it on either ways. You will get a green pallu if you wear it in one way and the reversal side if you wear it you will get yellow color pallu. So 2-in-1 saree. A very pretty zari lines all over the body of the saree and the border has got a golden zari peacocks and a thalampu border. The next saree is a ever classic white, off-white and black saree. The body of the saree has got off-white and the border has got black color zari woven. The pallu has got black color, a thin zari lines in the pallu. This is a classic collection. This has got beautiful peacock golden zari. We'll show you the whole look of the saree. The next saree is a beautiful kalamkari sungudi sarees. The body of the saree has got beautiful kalamkari prints and the border has got a floral red color and the pallu has got a thin zari lines in red color. A very trendy collection. We'll show you the close-up look of the border of the saree. This is a 100-tone saree which will be so soft and so easy to carry and very comfortable to the skin. Same time it gives you an elegant look when you wear it. So these are Ganga Jamuna type. I mean 2-in-1 saree. You can wear it in both the ways. A red and navy blue combination. A green and yellow combination. A red and green combination. This is a Veltari type. Hope you like this collection. Thank you for watching and do subscribe our channel for more beautiful collections.